Welcome back to the Accounting Guys YouTube channel. My name is Blake, and today we'll be talking about sales deal deposits and refunds, and the two different ways that you can handle that in Lightspeed. Hope you enjoy.
There are two ways that you're able to take deposits. Both of them are under sales, leads, quotes, and deals. So the first way is if you select a unit and then click take deposit, it pops up showing that you are able to take this deposit from this screen, and it gives you the deal details to make sure that you're putting this on the right deal. And then you're going to enter in the date, the description, and the amount here. And then you select the method of payment that they're going to put that deposit on the unit. Go ahead and put cash, and then cashier. And then that takes the deposit on the unit, and that's the first way. The second way is if you're already in the deal, prepping everything, the customers are with you and they say, let's put a deposit on it right now. You can select it up here as well in the deal information. So if you click this button, same screen pops up giving you the deal information, and you can enter in the amount as well as the method of payment if they're paying with check, card, however they're going to pay for it. You can enter in the notes as well, and cashier this, and then that takes a deposit on the unit as well. So if we go into the deposits, you can see these two deposits were taken from the separate methods. The next thing I want to talk about is how to refund a deposit. So if you're already in this screen making adjustments or something along those lines, you can do a refund from this screen as well. So if you click take deposits, you're going to enter in the negative number of the refund you're going to give. So for example, if they wanted a refund on their $200 deposit, you're going to take negative $200 deposit. The next thing to keep in mind here is if you're doing a refund by check, don't select this method of payment because it will just cause issues in the bank deposits, and it's acting as if you took a check from your till that another customer gave you and are now giving it to the customer as a refund. And that's not really what happened in real life. So if you're going to write a check to the customer for a refund, use refund by co-check. And what we like to do on this method of payment is we do the account number of the account it's going to hit so that we don't have to go into the system settings or the method of payment every time to see what account this hit. It just streamlines the process, makes the accounting a little easier. Go ahead and click cashier, and as you can see, the deposit is now off the unit, and that's the first way to refund a deposit. The next way to refund a deposit is if you're in this leads, quotes, and deals screen again, and you click the take deposit. Same process, negative of the amount for the refund that you're going to give. Select the method of payment for the refund. So let's go ahead and just select cash. We're giving them a cash refund, cashier, and then that takes it off that deal. So you may be asking, now that it's in that clearing account for the refund by company check, how do I cut the check to give to the customer? In this process, you're going to go payables, vendor invoice, and you're going to select whatever the customer's name is that you're going to give them the check. This makes it easier to track where the checks went, or if you need to research it, it pops up under this vendor, making it easier to research as well. So we'll just put it under Ashley Olson. For the invoice number, it's a good idea to do it for the sales deal or the stock number of the unit, making it easier to research. You know exactly what you're looking for. So we'll go ahead and do that. Then enter in the dates. The amount of the invoice is going to be 200, and then you're able to enter in the account here. And then if you click pay now, you can cut the check from this screen and select what account it's going to come out of, the date, and then the check number that it's going to have. If you click OK, you're able to cut the check, give it to the customer right then and there. If the customer's not in yet and they just requested a refund over the phone and you're just getting everything ready, you can click save down here and send it to pay invoices, and then whenever they come in, accounting or can cut the check and give it to them at that time. So we'll go ahead and just click OK as if we're cutting the check now. And then if you go into the chart of accounts and look in this clearing account now, you'll be able to see the in and out and how that worked. So we'll go history, and here you're able to see here's the deposit that was refunded, and then here's the check that took it off, the refund for deposit. So the net effect in the clearing account is 0, but you're able to see the detail in the vendor of This was a person that got the refund for this sales deal, as well as you're able to cut the check through Lightspeed, so you're not having to do handwritten checks, making bank reconciliations easier because the numbers will match when you go in to reconcile at your bank. That brings us to the end of this video. If you like content like this, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the trainings or any of the information that we release in the future. If you're looking for specific training or specific advice on anything that we've covered, go ahead and email us down below in the description. We'd be happy to take a look at your books, help you out with any of the processes. If you have any video or training ideas that you'd like to see in the future, go ahead and leave those in the comments, and thanks for watching.